Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup macOS desktop with Time Machine and iCloud Drive, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by connecting an external hard drive to your Mac. Make sure the drive is formatted for macOS using the APFS or macOS extended format. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Choose Time Machine from the option. Click the Select Backup Disk button. Select your connected external hard drive from the list and click Use Disk. If prompted, you can choose to encrypt your Time Machine will now prepare the disk for backups. To start the initial backup, ensure the Time Machine toggle is turned on. Now, let's move on to backing up your desktop with iCloud Drive. Open System Preferences again by clicking the Apple logo. Select Apple ID if you're running macOS Catalina or later. For earlier versions of macOS, look for iCloud. Once in the iCloud settings, make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID. Locate iCloud Drive and check the box next to it to enable it. Click on the Options button next to iCloud Drive. Ensure the Desktop and Documents folders option is selected. Click Done to save your settings. Your Desktop and Documents folders will now automatically upload to iCloud Drive. To check your iCloud Drive status, open a Finder window. In the sidebar, click on iCloud Drive to view your files. For Time Machine backups, you can view the status in the Time Machine icon in your menu bar. Click on it to see when the last backup was completed. Remember, you can access your backups by entering Time Machine from the menu bar. Explore your backups to find older versions of your files. For ongoing backups, just ensure your external drive is connected and Time Machine is on. For iCloud, ensure you have enough storage on your iCloud account to accommodate your desktop and documents. Label your external hard drive for easy identification. Now you've successfully set up your backups using both Time Machine and iCloud Drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.